this next exercise, I'm going to show you a technique called slash and spread. I'm going to use a skirt pattern for this one. I have draped a very basic, very simple 2-dart skirt. I've transferred the muslin drape to dotted paper, stapled dotted paper to manila, as we've done previously. I now have a very basic pattern for a skirt with 2 darts. I'm going to show you, again through slash and spread, how to take a very basic 2-dart skirt and turn it into an A-line skirt. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we start with our 2-dart skirt sloper. I've put a little tiny hole at the end of the dart. The end of the dart is known as the vanishing point. So make sure your legs of the dart are notched like that. And now we're going to trace this pattern onto dotted paper. I have traced my pattern. Make sure that you mark the vanishing point of the dart. And make sure that your notches are clearly visible. Next, I'm going to draw the dart, the legs of the dart. Next, I'm going to draw a straight line from the vanishing point of the dart straight down to the hemline, like so. Next, I'm going to cut out this pattern. I'm going to cut on this pencil line from the hemline all the way up to the vanishing point of the dart, right here, and stop. So we've slashed these 2 guidelines. Next, we're going to close the darts by taking one leg, folding it over onto the other leg, as we've done previously. Close the dart, put a little Scotch tape over it. So as you can see, here's the slash and spread technique in action. Next, I've put a piece of paper underneath, and the last thing to do now is to blend the hemline. The darts are gone. We now have a very simple A-line skirt. I'm going to take this to manila, staple it to manila, and we have a new pattern. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.